Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little bit of a reno for my guest bathroom. Hey guys, so today we are working on the bathroom. My husband's in there right now. I'm taking a break because it is so warm. We don't have any windows in that bathroom, so I'm also trying to get a little break from the fumes. So there's that. But yeah, so the bathroom is being painted. The reveal will come at the end of the video, but we are working on that right now. As you can see, that's kind of what the color we're working with. It's like a very light gray blue. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I initially had a little bit of panic moment last night because I was like, oh my god, I missed the red already, because that's the color I picked out initially. But I'm thinking it's gonna be a better situation because the red is super dark in that room, because it's like such a small space. So I'm hoping that it will be better because we'll get a skylight put in and then it'll be like a really bright, happy room. So that's my goal, what the room's gonna look like. But initially I was a little sad because I was like, you know what, I picked that color and I still really liked it, but I feel like it is kind of dark and it makes the room feel more closed in. So maybe just not the best choice initially, even though I did appreciate it. But yeah, right now I'm just hanging out in the hallway with my baby. So let me flip around to that. Let me turn it up because I'm in the hallway. It's dark. Here's my baby. So me and him are just hanging out in the hallway while I'm waiting for it to not be so hot and to take my little break and then go back in there to tidy up more paint. But that's Mr. Moo. Oh, sorry. Fix the lighting. Here's Mr. Moo. We're hanging out here in the hallway. So anyway, back to it. So we've already painted the room and everything's still down, but I wanted to come up with some ways to jazz up the room without going over budget or spending a lot of money. So what I found is, sorry, my cat just jumped. So let me flip it around and I'll show you what I have in my room that I'm gonna work with. So first up, I have this 2-pack of 24 by 30 canvases. So my idea is, sorry, this is a super messy desk, but I want to take and do an acrylic pour like I did in the past. So I still have like the pouring medium. I have this like kind of a silver color. I have some gold, and then I have some like purples and blues. So and I have a little cream colored one or white one here too. So basically what I want to do is basically make like just have a few hints of a dark color like this, but it mostly be kind of a light blue, and then have like other things kind of mixed in, like a little bit of purple or a little bit of dark blue, maybe hints of like gold flecks and a little bit of silver. So it's gonna be kind of like a hodgepodge, but my inspo is this picture I did over here. So there you go, you can see it a little bit. So you see how it's got like little hints of gold, mostly purple and blue. I want to like do a very large version of that, but maybe input a little bit of like a dark blue and just kind of go for that, but like on a bigger scale, and maybe make it not super purple based, just maybe more of the light or the blues. That way the room's not too overwhelming. So that's my goal today, so I'm gonna work on that. What I did was I found this marble contact paper, actually something I already own from doing the bathroom reno. So I'm going to use this and then use it on the shelf here. Let me move my thing away. So you see how the top of this black shelf looks? So I'm going to do that because I took off this edge right here. You can see that. So I wanted to try to like mask it as much as possible. That way it looked kind of like a nice surface because this was like pretty rough. So this one doesn't have that, but I think I'm going to make it match. That way it's like looks like a full set. So here are the finished shelves. Now we just have to implement those in the room. So other than actually going and just painting the room, we also did have our roof done around the same time. So what we did is have them install a sky tube in the bathroom. That way we'd have some more natural light. So you can see here that we are installing that right now, and you can see how much light we're getting from it by getting that installed. All right, you guys, so here is the reveal. So I'm so happy this got finished because literally just kind of like working on this a little bit every day and a little bit every day, and I was getting on my nerves. So you can see here, I'm just going to kind of zoom in. I bought this little marble tray on Amazon. I really wanted to use it for the fake candles, but it didn't really work out that way. So I ended up putting my oil diffuser over here, as well as the soap dispenser. And then I took this greenery and stuff and kind of blocked the cords and everything. Now the soap dispenser, I already had that. I just basically cleaned it up and refilled it with soap. And then as far as the candle goes, I already had that one. So I just kind of put it over there so it would be available for burning when you're doing your spa sessions. And this is the picture that we did with the acrylic pour. So I feel like it came out pretty good, actually, considering like initially it was looking pretty hairy there for a while, but I just kept working with it and got it to at least an acceptable level. And that's one of the shelves that we did. I just went and put the little fake candles there, just with the remote and everything, so it's all set up. And then here's a good look at the skylight. So this is basically all natural lighting in here right now. We don't have a window, and we also don't have a light on. So that's how much light's actually coming just from the sky alone. So I feel like it's such an improvement already. I did get a few items. I got the pillow as well as the little tray there so that you can have like a nice bath session. And I bought a new hamper because I really didn't have a hamper in here. And then also I bought this thin trash can because I just needed something a little smaller that fit the space better. So I did get those items on Amazon as well. But yeah, here's a good look at the bath tray. I just got kind of a smaller, like less expensive one. But the pillow, I got a better one because the one I had before was always falling and it was kind of useless. But yeah, that's what the sky tubes look like. They're really cool. I kind of wish I had more of them in the house, but that's all I can afford to do right now. And then that's the other shelf. So I basically took all of those jars that I had saved up in the other room and I just spray painted the top so they all match. And then here are the new towels. So we don't have like mismatched towels anymore, and it looks a little bit more luxe, you could say. They're nice and puffy. So the bar up there right now, I just have the bar up there. It sounds super strange, but I really don't like the shower curtain in there necessarily with the new walls. It went really well with the red, but it doesn't really go well with the blue. But I think if someone comes and they need to take a shower, because we never take showers in here, then I'll just hang the shower curtain back up. But at this moment, I'm just like, I'm going to keep it down because it's kind of in the way if you want to take a bath all the time because you have to remove it from the tub. So I'm just going to leave it down for now, but at least the shelf, I mean the rod is there, and it's pretty easy just to clip them back on really quick. They're not the rings, they're just hooks. So it's pretty fast. And then there's a good look at the paint color. It's kind of like a really light gray blue. So I feel like with the new skylight, it really helped to just make the room look a little better here. And then again, that's just another look. This is with the curtain put up. It has some hints of blue, but it's just really not like what I envisioned for the room. But I also really like the shower curtain. I don't want to get rid of it. So I'm just going to reuse it at this moment. And then when people come and visit, they'll just use the shower curtain. And when we're done with it, we just take it down. So we don't have to look at it. But yeah. So that's basically our bathroom right now. And I did get another rug too, because the rug in here was pink. So I changed it out for just a gray memory foam mat. But I'm just really happy with the way it came out. And I just wanted to share with you guys in case you guys are trying to get some inspiration on like what you can do on a budget. I feel like it was pretty inexpensive for the most part. We just basically bought some paint. The most expensive part obviously is the skylight, but we were doing the roof anyway, so it was going to be kind of part of the process. But otherwise I used a lot of the things I already had. The towels were new, and the little fake marble tray, that was new, and the tray for the bathtub and the pillow, and like the hamper and the trash can. So there were some new things, but it was really things to kind of really enhance the bathroom, because before I had systems that really weren't working. So that's why it looks like that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you like these type of videos. Okay, bye you guys.